Hello, for this example, we will use extra large boxes and we will want to palletize them with regular sized pallets. Normally, this would not be possible, but we have some tools that we can use to do so. The first step is to run a pallet maker. We open the data sheet, pallet, and now we will get the boxes that we have. We can also enter the dimensions manually, but we'll use the spreadsheet. First, we'll make sure that we're using inches and pounds. And we select the 48 by 40 pallet with a maximum height of 70 inches. Now we go to the spreadsheet, we select the boxes, copy them, paste, and now we have our extra large boxes. One is 56 inches long, the other one is 61 inches long. Now we try calculating the shipment because there are 4 of each one. We calculate the box shipment, and we see that we can put any of them. And we have these results. So we go back, change data. Now we select them both. And we allow the length and the width to be vertical to the pallet. When we try again, we see that some of them could be placed. Only the red boxes with the blue boxes couldn't be placed. So we can go back and use the optimize section option. This is only for the newer versions of Quick Pallet Maker. So we go and tools, calculate box shipment. And now we have 2 pallets, one with the red boxes, one with blue boxes. But we have other options that we can use, which is overhang. So we change data, and now here we have this 48-inch pallet, but we're going to allow more space on top. So we use 62 inches for the length because it's bigger than 61 inches here. Tools, calculate box shipment, and we're able to place 6 items on the first pallet and 2 items on the second one. If we go back, change data, and we add more height to the pallet, load, tools, calculate box shipment, and now we're able to put everything on the same pallet.